Christmas Eve, everyone! Today we're going to do another raffle, but it's our last raffle. But anyways, let's get started. Yeah.
Who gets to pick tonight?
I think Ellie should.
Okay. This is our final raffle. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I do hope that you're with your families. Merry Christmas, everyone. Winner of tonight's giveaway, we have Jen Pedretti from Oak Forest. Jen's preferred prize is $200 Amazon gift card. Nice. I hope that comes in handy during this Christmas season.
Well, we're in the Christmas spirit today, so we might do another raffle.
Should we?
Yeah.
Let's go for a second one. Let's do this.
Okay, can I pick this time? Give it to Daddy.
There we go. We're going to have a second lucky winner tonight. Hope it makes someone's Christmas.
Is
our second winner of tonight,
Ryan Meekma.
All right. Our second winner of tonight, Jeffrey Ryan Meekma from Orland Park. And Ryan's preferred prize, $200 Amazon gift card. Nice. Well, congratulations to both winners tonight. And Merry Christmas to everyone from Evolution Installs.
Yeah. I hope you have a nice Christmas today.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye.
See you next year.
See you next year.